Hi, I'm Amelia, a super high-quality English voice. I love to read. Seriously, I'm a total bookworm. So what are you waiting for? Get me reading! Phrases that admire her physical traits or gestures without being vulgar are incredibly powerful. For example, saying, "I love how your body fits perfectly with mine," or "There's something about the way you look at me that leaves me completely speechless." These kinds of phrases set a captivating tone without sounding inappropriate. They show that you desire, but in a respectful and elegant manner, enhancing emotional intimacy. Enhance emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy is the foundation of any successful relationship, and words play a crucial role in this. When you compliment a woman, especially for qualities, beyond her looks, you directly boost her self-esteem. For instance, saying, "I admire so many things about you, especially the way you face challenges with courage, or your authenticity is something I truly admire. You never try to be anyone else." And that's amazing. Not only makes her feel special, but also creates a safe space for her to be vulnerable with you. When a woman feels appreciated for who she truly is, she opens up emotionally, which strengthens the bond between you. Additionally, praises that highlight her unis are incredibly impactful. For example, "I've never met anyone like you before. There's something special about you that's hard to describe but impossible to ignore." Create an engaging atmosphere. The sense of exclusivity makes her feel one of a kind, which is something every woman desires. Attraction isn't just about physical touch. It starts with words. Creating an engaging atmosphere involves SLI, suggesting intimacy, and stirring her senses even before any physical contact. Phrases like, "I love how you make me feel when we're together," or "Just thinking about you brightens my day," completely helps set the stage where she feels desired without any pressure or implied expectations. It's a perfect balance between attraction and respect. When combined with simple gestures like a smile or an attentive gaze, these words become even more impactful. Know the right moment. They show that you're not just interested in her, but fully captivated by her. Knowing the right moment to say something is just as crucial as the words themselves. So some phrases are best used in moments of vulnerability, while others are perfect for creating a sense of anticipation or desire. For instance, if she's going through a tough time, you might say, "You're one of the strongest people I know. Even in the most challenging moments, you always find a way to keep going." That inspires me. Words like these show support, understanding, and admiration. And when she feels that you're there for her emotionally, it deepens your connection even more. On the other hand, in lighter moments, you can use phrases that make her smile and show your genuine interest. For example, "You have no idea how much I love spending time with you. Every moment together feels better than the last." These kinds of phrases keep the connection lively and exciting. Now that you understand how to use words to spark desire, build emotional intimacy, and increase attraction, it's time to put this knowledge into action. It's not just about memorizing phrases, but truly understanding the impact they have and using them authentically. Words are powerful tools, but when paired with consistent actions, they can transform any relationship. So which phrase will you use first? Today, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. This is STO Extreme. See you in the next video.